a safe container, a space to come home to yourself, to rebuild trust with your body and remind your nervous system that it's safe to soften. Wherever you are, gently allow yourself to arrive. Inhale softly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. You are safe here. You are supported here. You are returning to you. Follow this breathing rhythm as I guide you through these affirmations. I am learning to trust myself again. My body is not my enemy. My body is my home. I am safe to soften. I am allowed to feel peace. Now bring your awareness to your body. Imagine a warm golden light gently resting on the top of your head. This light is the energy of safety and trust. With every breath, it travels down, to your neck, your shoulders, melting away tension. Softening any fear. crushed. It is rebuilt with gentleness. And today, you've taken a beautiful step. Begin to slowly bring movement back to your fingers and your toes. Carry this sense of peace with you, and know you can return to this feeling anytime. If this meditation spoke to you, subscribe to Stephanie's Soul Space for more soul-nourishing moments. You are safe. You are held.